How to make all TikTok videos private at once. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video we will see that is it possible to make all of your TikTok videos private at once. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video. So first open up your TikTok app, and then once you're on your TikTok app, go to your profile. So the thing is that there is no way to make all of your TikTok videos private at once, but you can make your TikTok account private, and it is bit similar to make all of your TikTok videos private and your account private. So to make your account private, you have to tap on the three lines here in the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy, and then here tap on privacy, and tap here to turn on private account, and wait for a few seconds and your account will be private. And so this is how you can make your all TikTok videos or your account private on the TikTok app. Thanks for watching.